And sir, so much fascinating actually speaking to him, and way he discussed and took us and we got involved with the procedure, and we understood actually very well how laser can be used in different sessions like piles, fistula, fissure, sphincterotomy, all procedures relevant in proctology he has shown very nicely, and we could see very closely also, we could assist him also. And demonstration was very nice. We learned actually, definitely we will start, all of us will start doing procedure from next case onwards as such actually we thought. So it was very nice. Thank you sir, actually very happy to meet you, speak to you. That is very good actually for us.
It was a privilege for me also, Dr. Bhatt. It was really nice meeting you, Dr.
It was very nice, and we all enjoyed sessions here, arrangement, everything. Sessions and your discussion, excellent, really. We have learnt a lot from you, sir.
Thank you so much.
Thank you very much. Thank you, sir.